compact SUV has been one of the most promising segments, and last year we saw two entries in this segment: Hyundai Venue and Mahindra XUV300. Mahindra XUV300 did well, and it has also scored 5 stars in the Global NCAP crash test. Now Mahindra revealed the prices of BS6 compliant diesel Mahindra XUV300, and it is priced from Rs 8.69 lakh ex-showroom. Mahindra has upgraded the diesel XUV300 compact SUV to comply with the upcoming BS6 emission norms. For now, the XUV300 BS6 Diesel is priced the same as the outgoing BS4 model. Prices start at Rs 8.69 lakh and go up to Rs 12.69 lakh ex-showroom India. Mahindra has marginally increased the prices of BS6 XUV300 Diesel, which ranges between Rs 130 to Rs 901 only. That said, the XUV300 was priced higher than the competition, so it's only wise on Mahindra's part to not increase the price. With the BS6 update, Mahindra has discontinued the W8 automatic variant of the diesel XUV300, as the automatic transmission is only available in the W6 and W8 trims of the compact SUV. Mahindra had upgraded the petrol XUV300 to meet BS6 emission norms in December last year, which means that now with the diesel update, the entire XUV300 range meets the stricter emission norms. The BS6 Mahindra XUV300 continues with the same engine and transmission option as the earlier model. However, in the BS6 guys, the 1.5-litre diesel motor makes 113 bhp as against 115 bhp in the BS4 era. That said, it continues to make 300 Nm of peak torque. Mahindra will soon introduce the XUV300 Sportz that features a 1.2-litre direct injection turbocharged TGDi petrol motor. This motor makes 130 bhp and 230 Nm of torque.